Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today I'm going to be using the Shark blow dryer. I was finally able to get my hands on this blow dryer and I am going to try the other attachments, so you have to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of those videos that are coming very soon. But today I wanted to try this one because I already did a blowout, so I actually wanted to just try and curl my hair with this attachment with the Shark blow dryer. This attachment is huge and this is supposed to give you nice curls, kind of like the DYSON AIRWRAP. You're supposed to put your hair in here and then it's supposed to dry your hair to one direction. You can actually even change the direction of where you want this to curl your hair. This is so big. I don't know if you guys can see, but right there it says curl left and then this one curl right. It's pretty cool that you're able to kind of curl to whichever direction you want. I have the blow dryer attachment, the like round brush attachment. This is kind of like a round brush, but yeah, it's very different and I know you guys have been requesting this video for a while. I know you guys want me to try this on my natural curls and I will do that, so subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of those videos coming up. I have a lot of fun videos coming up. I also am going to do a video trying the diffuser. So I actually did try this the other day and I'm gonna let you guys know in that video how I feel about this diffuser, but it's pretty impressive, I will say. Like, this diffuser is like on another level. You're able to bring these out and bring them back in. When it's shorter like this, it's for shorter hair, for styling the ends, and then when you want to put this out, it's more for the roots and for longer hair. So yeah, this is like very modern. Also, if you are not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. I post a lot of mini videos on there that I do not post on here on YouTube, so definitely check out my Instagram, my TikTok, and yeah, let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna do one side first and then we'll move on to the next side. So I'm going to put one side up. I'm sorry if the sun is a little bit all over the place today. It is cloudy here in PA. And yeah, I mean, the sun comes out and then it goes away, so don't mind that. Let's start with the bottom section. I'm going to put this section up. So let's just try it and see how this is going to work. I am going to curl to the left. Yeah, it's already at curl left. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the highest heat setting and the highest speed. Shark has a couple of different bundles that you can check out online. They have some that just include the diffuser attachment. They have other ones that include this attachment, the round brush attachment. Anyways, they have a couple of different bundles. The prices range from about $230 to like $250. So yeah, I'll link everything down below if you're interested in purchasing this. But yeah, let's try this. Definitely curling the hair. Oh my god, I think this might actually curl my hair. I see it working. I like how you can put it against your ear and it's not like burning your ear or anything. I wonder if that's enough time. Okay, so let's release the curl. I hope that's enough time. My hair was completely dry, so if it doesn't curl, I'm gonna try with the mousse. I mean, I think I'm gonna try with the mousse either way, but let's see. Okay, the more that I kind of touch it, the more that it kind of goes away. But I'm going to add some mousse because I know that my hair is just not gonna last if it's just dry. I'm actually gonna do this section again and I'm gonna add some mousse on a brush. I feel like if you want longer lasting curls, you have to do this either on damp hair or like something has to be on it, like mousse or something. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of mousse to my hair. So let's try it again. so let's see what it looks like with the mousse. Yeah, it definitely looks a lot better with the mousse. Like, I was able to get a tighter looking curl. I just don't know if this is going to last me a very long time, but yeah, I mean, it looks good. I'm gonna keep doing more curls, and I guess we'll see at the end how my hair looks. But so far it is kind of curling my hair. I like that this doesn't feel super hot like on my scalp or anything. I can't really feel the heat on my scalp, which is nice. I can't feel it on my ear, but I definitely need that mousse. So I'm gonna just add some of the mousse to my hair, and I'm gonna very quickly contain it. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna keep doing my hair, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts in a little bit, but this is definitely gonna give you more of a wave. Yeah, just keep that in mind. I don't think this is gonna give you a tight curl, but yeah, let me keep doing my hair. Okay. Oh, that one's prettier. Yeah, I like that one better. It looks okay at the end. I definitely have to run my fingers through the curls and see what it's gonna look like. It is definitely giving me more of a wave, not a curl. But anyways, I'm going to do all my hair, and I'll be back with the final look and my final thoughts. Definitely so far this is pretty easy to use, especially if you don't like really know how to curl your hair. If you want something that's going to give you a little bit of a wave without like a lot of heat damage, then this could work for you. Alright guys, so I am done doing my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. I just finished doing this side, so it looks a little bit better than this side. I feel like the curls are already falling on this side, and this is definitely going to give you more of a wave and not really like a curl. But I mean, this one in the front is very pretty. If you leave the hair tool drying your hair for longer, it is going to give you a nicer curl. But I will say this definitely gets a little bit heavy over time. Like, this gets a little bit heavy, even just like grabbing it now like that. It's definitely pretty heavy, and the hair tool, the blow dryer itself is heavy, but this is huge, and I think this is also pretty heavy. Altogether, it is a little bit heavy, so just keep that in mind. I feel like this maybe wouldn't be the best for traveling. I would maybe just use that more at home, and I would definitely clip the curls right away for longer lasting curls, because I just feel like the curls are going to fall pretty quickly. I mean, down here, I don't know if you guys can see, but these curls are already falling. So I'm just gonna run my fingers through the curls just to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. Yeah, you see this side definitely looks a lot better than this side. I don't know if I'm loving the waves. I feel like they are definitely more like natural looking waves. I mean, at least you're not putting extreme heat on your hair because you're just using a blow dryer to get these curls. But you see, like, this side looks really nice. I really like this side, but this side is already falling. So whenever I use this again, I am going to clip my hair, like every single curl, and kind of let it set for a little bit, and then I'll let my hair down, because I just feel like the curls are like almost gone. I definitely have more of a wave, but I feel like this would work a lot better on damp hair. If you have pretty straight hair already, like naturally, definitely leave your hair more damp, and that way you will get like nicer, tighter curls. For me, since I already have pretty natural like curly hair, I have to blow out my hair first, like I have to leave it straight and then use a mousse to be able to get some curls, because if I wet my hair is going to get back to its curly state. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I feel like this hair tool is definitely a little bit on the pricier side. It's about $230, but I will say the blow dryer itself is amazing. Like, it is so powerful and the technology behind it is really, really nice. So I can't wait to show you guys how to use the diffuser attachment, and I can't wait to try the other attachment, this one right here, the round brush attachment. I'm like very curious to see how this is gonna work on my natural curly hair. I like the brush so far. I have not used it. Like, as you can see, it's like pretty new, but I like the brush. I mean, it has boar bristles and nylon bristles. I just don't know how this is going to, like, I don't know how this is going to work. But anyways, it's cool that you can rotate this. I didn't know that. I'll see what that does. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more videos using the Shark blow dryer, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I mean, what do you guys think? I feel like my hair looks fine, but I just know that like my waves are just going to fall. But it definitely looks like pretty natural. It looks like natural waves. I mean, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Mwah. Bye-bye.